Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Big Hops game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen error or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If this also doesn't resolve, come back and check all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. So for that, again go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11, launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list over here. After adding it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. Click on OK and then launch the game and check if it is opening now. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game and here you can find enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. Similar for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page, click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now go below, click on downloads and here you will find clear cache beside clear download cache. Click on it and it will say this will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So you just have to confirm it. After confirming it, restart Steam and log into it and then try to play the game and see if this helps. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Task Manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on end task. After this, launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the file is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this and now restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you play the game. This will surely help to resolve the issue you are coming across. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So go to the Windows search, now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application. Now after adding the game, here you have to click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the issue. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Big Hops game. So for that, go to the Steam now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall options. This will completely remove the game from your PC. Now once the game is removed, now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and again reinstall Big Hops game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.